Today, I'm going to show you how to create this super clean, icy, almost glass-carved look for your text or images using only Adobe Premiere Pro, no plugins, no Photoshop. Just a couple of built-in effects that instantly transform your titles. Trust me, once you learn this, you'll start using it everywhere. Alright, let's jump right in. I've already dropped a background clip on the timeline. You can use anything that fits your edit, cinematic, abstract, whatever matches your style. About 1 second forward, we're adding our text. Grab the type tool, click on your program monitor, and type whatever title you're going with. Now jump into the Effect Controls panel, scroll down and tweak your font, spacing, and size. I'm giving mine a bit of letter spacing and font size for that elegant look. Next, let's center the text, switch to the Selection tool, hold Ctrl or Command key, and drag the text until you hit that red alignment guide. I'm nudging it just slightly downward for a more balanced frame. Time for some text animation. Under Vector Motion, hit the stopwatch icon next to Scale to create your first keyframe. Move forward a few seconds and scale the text up until it pushes out of frame. Depending on your font, you may need a big number. If you want the text to drift in smoothly, add a quick fade. Set a keyframe on opacity, move ahead a few frames, and drop it down to 0%. To make everything feel more polished, right-click that first keyframe and choose Ease Out option, then pull your second keyframe's handle toward the left to tighten the motion curve. Already looking better. But this still doesn't have that icy, glass-like style we're here for, so let's create it. Move the text graphic up to video track 3 and extend it so it matches your background clip time duration. Now duplicate the background, hold Alt or Option key and drag it up onto video track 2. With that duplicated clip selected, go to Effects panel and search for Track Matte key. You can simply double-click to apply it. We also need one more effect on this same clip, Bevel Alpha, add that too. Back in Effect Controls panel, under Track Matte key, set the matte input to video 3 because that's where our text lives. Instantly, you'll see the icy outline starting to form. Now let's enhance it. Under Bevel Alpha, adjust edge thickness. I like something between 3 and 5. Play with the light intensity to bring out the glassy shine. Change the light angle to around -160 degree, though depending on your background, you may need to experiment. You can even change the light color, try sampling a bright highlight from your background for a more natural glow. So now the big question, can we use this same technique on images? The answer is yes and no. Let me show you. Here's our channel's transparent PNG logo. If I drop this on video track 3 instead of the text, the effect looks amazing right away. But if I try something like the Adobe logo, which doesn't have transparency, Premiere only shows the outer edges. That's because Track Matte key is using the alpha channel. It's only reading transparent versus non-transparent areas. Switching to Luma makes Premiere look at brightness instead. Light areas stay visible, dark areas become transparent. That's why white text works best for the Luma option, and white PNGs with transparency work perfectly with alpha. If your image has lots of colors, try both options and see what gives you the cleanest result. For a final touch, you can apply a horizontal flip effect to the duplicated clip. And make sure this sits above the two other effects in the stack. It adds a subtle symmetrical shine that looks surprisingly good. And that's it, a clean, icy, glass-style text or image effect, done entirely inside Premiere Pro. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, it really helps the channel grow. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I hope you have an amazing day.